sister. Sister, we have a video time.
I'm sleepy.
Come on, let's go to cook your favorite s'mores.
Oh my gosh.
So that's the camera. So say hi.
Hi.
So I'm Faye, and this is my sister
Rian.
So we are gonna make s'mores. So we need graham crackers.
And marshmallow. Your favorite marshmallow. I want to eat it.
So and this chocolate spread and this spoon. Spoon and big plate and whipped cream. That's all.
This is a whipped cream because it's perfect. In a Facebook.
Yeah. I loved it.
Why are you
So
finding?
first, you're gonna put some.
Wait, I need some water.
Just a minute, okay. And then I'm gonna put my sister something. Here you go, sis.
Ow.
And we're gonna put some marshmallows.
No. Chocolate spread.
Not this. It's chocolate spread. My mom is really good cook. So need to put some
I'm okay.
chocolate.
I'm gonna put my chocolate in my top.
Okay.
Oh, that's yummy. Oh, why do that? It's not yummy.
Just spread it all up.
I spread my time. Not me.
I'm just wanna take a little bit chocolate. I don't like chocolate.
And me. And we can sell chop. It's just so nice, Brady. Look at that.
She like chocolate. Okay, there. Are you done?
I love chocolate. Can I eat it?
Sure. Okay, so sis, can you just put yeah. So put some marshmallow in your chocolates. So we're gonna put some more graham biscuit. Okay, I don't like this. Okay, so I'm so excited. We're gonna make some more.
Oh,
That's all, sis. That's perfect.
look at that. It's
So
like a
just
house.
a minute. We're just gonna go oven this in there. So yeah. So the marshmallow can you
Melted.
like melted. Yes.
I always like
Okay.
chocolate.
So yeah.
I'm gonna eat in here.
She have more chocolate than me. So bye. And next video. Bye.